What the heck is gorochu? Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry about my outburst. And today we're gonna show you how to draw something called gorochu. I mean, I don't even know why that Pokemon was there. I mean, it's just a rip-off version of Raichu. But I did a little bit of research, and it turns out gorochu is actually a Pokemon that was one of the lost Pokemon that they never even shown in the anime. But I get the feeling that gorochu should be in the anime. After all, a Pokemon is a Pokemon, right? Okay, so let's get started. I told you, stop leaving these clues on my paper! Jeez! Oh, before we get to that, let me give you a known fact about Cumber. But before we get started, I forgot to draw the tail on him. Sorry about that, folks. If you saw Cumber's picture, you should know he has a tail, so don't forget about that. And another thing, you ever notice that Cumber looks exactly like Raditz from Dragon Ball Z Kai? I mean, the two of them look similar, really. You can't really tell the difference. Anyways, let's get started on drawing Gorochu. Anyways, he looks like a devil version of Pikachu, but you see, Raichu, I saw this, how to draw kids video, and it turns out he really is one of the Pokemon. They just never got to show him it. Anyways, when drawing him, you must draw the eyes. And, next thing, you just gotta draw the horns above his head. Well, it's kind of like the same kind of horns that I drew for Alien X, except it's like the devil's horns. So, be sure about that. Be sure not to forget about that, okay? Okay, there's his eye here. Next up, here's his vampire teeth. Actually, he's more of a devil than a vampire. Okay, next up, here's his paw. And his hands are a little muddy. There's his body. Next up, here's his stomach here. There's his body here. Here's his... There's his foot. Alexa, play Ghost Rider.
Ghost Rider 2013 remixed by Rush on Amazon Music.
Okay, next thing, here's his ear. Still looks a little bit like Raichu's ear, except it's more... Alexa, play Ghost Rider theme.
Ghost Rider theme by David Sardi on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Okay, there's his devil-like head. Next up, here's his tail. And there's his lightning bolt-like tail. If this was an actual Pokemon, I suggest that this Pokemon should be a fire and electric type. That way we could tell the difference. And if Pikachu were to evolve into this Pokemon, it would be adapting with a Firestone, or it could be traded with an item to evolve into this form. But anyways, I still think Gorochu is a rip-off version of Raichu. But anyways, I got to draw. All I did was get to draw it, and that's all that matters. But if you guys want this Pokemon to be in the Pokedex, be sure to let Game Freak know that this Pokemon is actually should be this Pokemon should be in the next series wave of Pokemon. Just to let you guys know, I was thinking it could be in a region after the Galar region, possibly the region where Yongoose was found, maybe. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what Pokemon I'll draw you guys next. Ones that are not fake. Anyways, that's all for now. See you later. Mwah ha 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 ha.